So we're picking some blackberry from our blackberry 3. So we're gonna make blackberry juice with ginger. So this is done. Ripen up. Nice blackberry. Be careful, Marisol.
Be careful of those. They're very spiky. They could sting you.
Yeah, and they're very spiky. So this is a blackberry. Number 3 in the garden. So we're gonna make some blackberry juice with ginger. Yes, Marisol, you finished pick them off? Look, there's loads there. So pick those one. I'll get that one for you. Get that big one. Yes.
Got it.
You got it? So.
Can pick that one.
Be careful now, I'll get that one for you. I'll get that one for you.
That's almost spiked me, Daddy.
Almost spike you. Welcome people, we're going Selvin here in the kitchen again. Then today we're gonna make some blackberry juice with beetroot. So we have some blackberry there. We just pick up the tree outside. And then we are gonna use 1 beetroot. So I peel this one and I cut it in 2 already. Then we have some ginger. So I just peel this ginger. We're gonna use a little piece of ginger. We're gonna use half of lemon, and we're gonna use 1.5 teaspoon of honey. So guys, welcome to my kitchen again. And if you're watching my video, please, if you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, because a lot more juice and recipe coming out. So guys, basically what we do now, we're gonna cut up the ginger, a little chunk like that. So I'm gonna chuck it in there. Yeah, this one is messed up behind at the time. That's gonna give it a little chunk. This is the beetroot. You can use beetroot steaming vegetable when you're steaming your cabbage or your celery or anything like that. So I'm just gonna use 1 beetroot. Let's cut it up in chunks. Chuck that in there. So I picked this blackberry fresh straight off of the 3 around the back. So just gonna chuck this blackberry in as well. Gonna squeeze half of lemon. Squeezing half of lemon right there. You want to get all of that juice out of that lemon. Yep. So guys, this is the blackberry juice with beetroot, with ginger, lemon. We're gonna use a half a teaspoon of honey. So guys, so I'm just gonna put in 1.5 teaspoon of honey. I'm just gonna make blackberry toast. 1.5 teaspoon of honey. If you want to make it sweeter, you can make it sweeter. It's up to you guys, how you like it. But I don't like my juice too sweet, so I'm just gonna pour in some water in it. I'm gonna put in a lot of water. I'm gonna put in that amount of water in it, and now I'm just gonna blend it up. Looking at people, I just finished blending blackberry and beetroot juice. So now I'm just gonna strain it off now. So guys, basically what I do now, I just strain it off into the big strainer. And now I'm gonna use the small strainer, because you have to be careful with blackberry seed, because when you blend it out, You have a lot of seed in it, blend out, and the ginger and everything. So when you strain it with a big strainer, make sure you use a smaller strainer to strain it, because you don't want to taste and have that little bits in your mouth. You just want to strain it all out. So just give it a strain there. Slowly everything just run right out. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I just strain it off with a smaller strainer. Because you want to get all of that blackberry seeds out of it, and the ginger, when you blend up the ginger and everything. Because when you strain it off, now the big strainer, you don't get everything out of it. So you use a second strainer, so that's a small strainer. So this is blackberry with beetroot, with ginger, with lemon, 1.5 teaspoon of honey. Can't wait to have this, guys, I'm telling you. So you want to see me make another video like this, please subscribe to my YouTube station. My YouTube name is Selvin Robinson and Family, so please hit that subscribe button. See? If you don't use a second strainer, all of this, you're gonna get this when you're drinking it, and you don't want all of that in your cup. So you want to get everything out. That's why we use a second strainer. Okay. Right, this is it. This is the blackberry juice we have right over here. Funny people, this is the blackberry juice with beetroot. So we have some beetroot here, but we use 1 beetroot out of the 3. So we use 1 beetroot. Then we use half of lemon. Then we use just a little pinch of ginger. 1.5 teaspoon of honey. Then we have some blackberry here we pick outside. So these are the blackberry juice. So you guys, if you want to let me see do another video like this, please hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Selvin Robinson and Family. And please share and like and make a comment. Look at that, guys. So this is the blackberry juice what we have right here with beetroot,